Hello students, today we read some applications of crown ethers. So students, first tell me what are crown ethers. See students, crown ethers are cyclic polyethers used as phase transfer catalysts. Here is, oxygen atoms which are separated by carbon atoms. Students, this type of structure resembles a crown. So that's why it is called crown ether. Okay students. Why crown ether act as phase transfer catalysts? Students, crown ether have ability to capture or complex the cations, and that's why it is act as phase transfer catalyst. See students, the ability of crown ethers to complex cations can be exploited in nucleophilic substitution reactions. See student, this is crown ether, 18 crown 6. We take 18 crown 6 and it react with KCN in the solution. In the crown ether captures the ion cation. Okay students. Now we discuss some applications of crown ethers in organic synthesis. First is esterification. Crown ether is very useful for esterification. Students, we take para-bromophenyl acyl bromide and react with potassium salts of carboxylic acid in the presence of 18 crown 6 and we form para-bromophenyl acyl esters. We form esters. Students, here 18 crown 6 act as solubilizing agent and we get 92% yield. See the reaction. Para-bromophenyl bromide and salts of carboxylic acid in the presence of crown ether and we formed para-bromophenyl esters. We get 92% yield. Student, next reaction is saponifications. When using KOH, potassium hydroxides, for saponification, its insolubility in organic solvents like toluene is main issue of the reaction. But when we use dicyclohexyl 18 crown 6, students, dicyclohexyl 18 crown 6 is here. Students, this is dicyclohexyl 18 crown 6. Dicyclohexyl 18 crown 6 ether. Okay students. So when we use it, KOH easily soluble in toluene and reactions rate will fast and we get excellent yield or excellent production of the reaction. Students, next reaction, anhydride formation. Anhydrides are commonly formed when a carboxylic acid react with an acid chlorides in the presence of base. Okay students, carboxylate anions negatively charged oxygen attacks the considerably electrophilic acyl chlorides, carbonyl carbon and intermediate is formed. This is the mechanism I told you in short. Okay students. This is anhydride formation. By using this process, cinnamic acids, para-nitrobenzoic acid, acetic acids and propionic acids are also converted into their anhydrides like this. Now next is potassium permanganate oxidation. Students, potassium permanganate is the most widely used reagent for the oxidation of organic compounds. It is usually used in aqueous solution and this reaction, its usefulness, since many compounds are not sufficiently soluble in water and only a few organic solvents like acetic acids, tetrabutanol, diacetone and pyridine are resistant to the oxidizing action of the reagent. But under the presence of crown ether, permanganate becomes soluble in benzene and other solutions and the resulting solutions are excellent reagents for oxidant of a variety of organic substrate in organic solvents. See students, this is catechols and it converted into orthoquinones with excellent yield in the presence of only one equivalent of KMnO4. Students, only one equivalent of KMnO4. Next organic synthesis is aromatic substitution reactions. In this reaction, we take 2-chloropyridine and react with 1,6-dihydroxyhexane. Students, 1,6 hexane. Okay, students, in the presence of crown ether. 2 molecules we take, and this is substitution reaction like this, HCl minus 2HCl, and this is and this structure is formed. Okay, students. Now superoxides anion reactions. Students, superoxides like K2O, NaO2. Students, this is the most important application of crown ethers. Actually, students, superoxides like K2O, NaO2 are cheap and commercially available, but there is main issue of solubility. Okay, students, solubility problem is there. But when we use crown ether only with superoxides, we get excellent yield. See the reaction. When tropone is treated with KO2 in the presence of crown ether, solution is, students, DMSO. What is DMSO, student? Dimethyl sulfoxide. Dimethyl sulfoxide formula is CH3 whole twice SO. This is dimethyl sulfoxide, DMSO. In solution DMSO, tropone converted into salicylaldehyde with good yield. Now alkylation. When ketones or aldehydes treated with acetonitrile in the presence of base and crown ether, we get excellent alkylation. Like this other reaction of phenylacetone. Phenylacetone can alkylated with N-butyl bromide in the presence of NOH and crown ether. Alkylation will get good excellent yield. So students, these are some organic synthesis with crown ether as phase transfer catalysts. Hope you get it very well. Okay, thank you students.